All right, today in our grade 4 lesson, we want to look at agriculture. And in agriculture, we are going to look at soil erosion and its causes. Soil erosion and causes of soil erosion. This is agriculture. Is clear? Can you see here?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So, in fact, we want to first of all identify soil erosion. What is soil erosion and the signs of soil erosion? How can one see that? Oh, let me. Sorry for that. Let me check here. Sorry. All right. What is soil erosion? Who can tell me what soil erosion is? Yes, Uriel?
Of topsoil.
Yes, it is the washing away of top soil. What washes away topsoil? Leander?
The washing away of topsoil is soil erosion.
What does that? What washes away? Bethel?
Water.
What kind of water? You just drink water, go to the kitchen, you take water. Floods. Rice. What causes soil erosion? You are saying it is the washing away of topsoil. What causes that? What washes that? Rice? Yes, Brave?
People and animals.
Yes, when they make roads. Yes, they cause that. Another one? Luanda?
Yes, cutting down trees
Yes.
and plants.
Yes, very good. Uriel? Uriel?
Wind.
Yes, wind. When trees are no longer there, then wind comes and it strips off the soil. That is soil erosion. Right. Besides, how can you tell that there is soil erosion? Signs, yes, Bethel?
Gullies.
Hmm?
Gullies.
Yes, very good, very good. You find that there are gullies. Then you will see that something is not right. There is soil erosion. We know that soil is important to both people and animals and also plants because that is where we grow our plants, that is where we build our homes, that is where we use our roads. It is on the ground, it is on the soil. So soil is very, very important. Now, at signs of soil erosion. The effects of soil are shown by many agents. Soil erosion, as we have said, is the washing away of topsoil from one place to another by moving water or wind. Erosion is seen by many signs. If there is moving water, especially you have to look when it is rainy season, you find that water will be moving and there will be lots and lots inside, oil inside that water. It will be moving it from where it was to another place, forming soil erosion. So there are many signs of soil erosion. Right, if you look up, you'll see dusty clouds. There will be dust. Okay, when we see dust all over, you should know that that is soil erosion. It is the soil that has been taken away from the ground and it is being sent somewhere by the wind, because there will be dusty clouds. These are the signs. Dusty clouds. Okay. This is the cause, the sign, where we see dusty clouds. I hope it's not shining.
It's shiny.
You can't see, you can't read.
We can see.
Yes, please, if you can see, you can see. Don't just say shining when it is not. Right, that is sign, one of the signs to show that there is soil erosion there, because there is dust. You see dust clouds. Then if you go outside at your homes or at your school, you will see that there are brown, dirty walls. Dirty walls. Okay? If you see dirty walls, I'm trying to write. If there are dirty walls, that's dirty, it will be brown. It is soil. You can see that this is sign of soil erosion. Another sign, when there is water, you find that there is mud in moving water. Okay? You find that there will be mud. Let me try and write. There will be mud in moving water. That is another sign. So where will that where will it be coming from? It will be the soil which has been taken from one place which is being moved to another place. These are signs of soil erosion. Also, when you go outside where there are trees, you find that are exposed, uncovered plant roots, exposed, uncovered plant roots. You find, you can see roots. Roots are supposed to be under the soil. But if you find that they are exposed, uncovered plant roots, you will simply see that that is the cause of soil erosion. Okay? And exposed and covered plant roots. Also, number 5, if you can find deep cattle tracks where cattle were moving, cattle traps. This is usually shown in rural areas where there is a track where cattle, when they are going for grazing, they use the same path. So when you are moving, they find that soil is loose there because there are deep cattle traps. Even people as brave said, when people have a small path, they use it every day, showing that the soil is loose. Then that is a sign of soil erosion. Right. We've learned about 5 signs of soil erosion. Number 1, name one. What did I say is a sign? What shows you that there is soil erosion? Let's hear number 1, Bethel.
Exposed roots.
Yes, exposed, uncovered plants. Number 2, Brave.
Dusty clouds.
Yes, if there are dusty clouds, there is dust in the clouds. Very good. Price.
Mud in moving water.
Yes, there is mud in the moving water. Uriel.
Dirty floor.
Dirty walls. If you go outside, even now, if you find that there is dirty in your walls, that is the sign. Luyanda. Luyanda.
Deep cattle traps.
Yes, very good. Even people.
Deep
cattle traps. When cattle are moving all the time, you find that there is a trap now. The soil there loose. It shows that that is a sign of soil erosion. Bethel, do you have another one? Bethel?
gullies.
Right.
Gullies.
Yes, but we talked about these 5, even gullies. Yes, you find that there are gullies. Okay, so these are deep cattle tracks which are there, which we are looking at. All right, those are the signs. She talked about gullies, deep gullies. Also, we said there is muddy water. Let us look at this. I just hope you will be able to see these pictures. Even if it's shining, hope they are not going to shine. Can you see gullies there? Can you see gullies? Hello? Hello? Can you see gullies? There are gullies there. There are. Can you see me? I can't see you. Where are you?
We can see you. We can see you.
You can see me. You had
Yes.
you had gone away. Now you are back. All right. Right. I was showing you the pictures of the gullies. You saw the gullies.
Yes.
Yes, also the river filled with muddy water. River filled with muddy water. These are the signs of soil erosion. All right. Those are the signs. Now we want to look at causes. Causes now. What causes soil erosion? Erosion is caused by agents such as we talked about earlier, we talked about deep traps. So soil erosion is caused by agents such as animals, those deep traps, animals, these are causes, even wild animals. Causes, animals they cause erosion. Let me see those who went to Victoria Falls. Let me see. Did you go to the trip? Yes, Luanda? You went to Victoria Falls?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Luanda. Peter, you didn't go? Brave, you didn't go? Bryce?
Yes.
Bryce, you went?
No.
Do you remember when,
No.
when we went to the national park, the deep traps which were there, which were formed by wild animals? You remember seeing them in Wange National Park?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. There were so many traps where animals, especially where there is a pool, where they will go to drink water. They make so many traps to go there and drink the water. Okay? You can still hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see me? Because now I can't see you. Can you see?
I can see you.
I can see
You
Yeah.
can see me.
I can see you.
Oh,
Oh.
I can see.
Okay, it's okay. Let's continue. I don't know what's wrong with this now. All right. We want to look, as we are looking at the causes. Also water, we talked about the muddy water. When it is rain, okay? There is muddy water. That is another cause. Okay? Then also wind. If there's too much wind, as we said, fine dusty clouds, you will see in the month we are going to July, there are tornadoes where you will see lots and lots of soil and wind being taken up. That is another cause of soil erosion. Okay, so we find that we have got so many causes of soil erosion. Right, let us look at wind. How does wind cause a soil erosion? Blowing away of soil by wind causes soil erosion. All right. When trees have been cut, one of us said the other cause is when trees are cut and soil remains bare. When there is nothing growing on top of that soil, when it remains bare, wind easily blows soil away, leaving the area damaged. Some activities carried out by human beings and animals lead to bare soil that is then blown away by wind. Okay, drought is also a common effect that causes wind erosion. A drought is when there is little or no rain in the rain season. This leads to wilting and dying of most vegetation, which makes the land bare. When there are strong winds, soil is then easily eroded. Another factor that leads to wind erosion is the soil type. Sandy soil have loose, packed large particles, hence they are easily eroded compared to clay and loam soil. So wind usually takes away that soil which is not strong, especially sand soil. It has got large particles, so it's easily swept away by wind compared to loam, which is a half sand and a half clay. Also, cutting down of trees. People cut down trees to clear land for homes or farming. They also cut down trees for use as firewood. This leaves vast land exposed without plant cover. When there are heavy winds or rain, the soil is eroded into rivers and streams. All right, for today, I want us to stop here, having looked at the signs of erosion and two causes of soil erosion, which are wind and cutting down of trees. Okay. Now, who can tell me what you remember, what we just talked about, Tawana? Quickly, we're running out of time. Tawana, tell us. Tawana, tell us. Bethel, yes, Bethel. Yeah? Floods, yes, Luanda.
We talked about
Yes.
exposed uncovered plants.
Yes, uncovered plants, Tawana.
We talked about muddy water.
Yes, causes erosion, brave.
We talked about the deep temple trap.
Yes, people trapping, rice.
We talked about wind.
Wind, Uriel.
What?
Right. Yes, Tawana, let's hear you again. Tawana. Valleys, yes, those are the causes. All right, now you are going to stop here. Just log out and log in for the next lesson, which will be Isi Ndebele. Isi Ndebele. We'll stop here about soil erosion. We'll continue some other time. Then I will send you some work. Some of you, most of you, you send in your work very late. Others are not sending at all. I don't know what the problem is. If you have got problems in sending your work, please write to say so that you have to be helped. Others, you are able to see your work in the classroom quickly, but you cannot send it back. I don't know what the problem is. Because if you are able to go and get your work from classroom Google, you should be able to write and send it back. Also, photo shooting, please make your papers straight and write in full scapes, not pieces, and try to find a clean page. Don't just pick up a paper and then write. All right. Okay, bye for now. Just log out and then log in.